All right, welcome back, guys. Sorry for the sorry for the break in transmission, as we typically say. So, like I was saying earlier, this is a live analysis, and we're going to be giving some commentary on the GBPUSD buy that we called earlier in the day, say around 8 9 a.m. We called it in our Telegram group, and we hope a lot of you are taking advantage of it. The original target was around 50 pips, but then we saw some shift in market structure, and we decided to close at around 30 to 33 pips, and we also called out the exit of the trade on the group. All right. So mostly, like the guys that joined the our guys on the FX bootcamp, those are our paid students. They are the ones that get this information firsthand, and they get it more often than the guys who are not on our student list. All right, so our students are the ones that get this information firsthand, and they get it more often. Then another set of people are those in the pro group, those who bought a consummate prop account through us, whether you're a student or not. So long as you bought a consummate prop account through us, you'll be given access to the paid group. They get this analysis also, like, okay, let's call it second hand, yeah, and they do not get it as often as the other guys, but then they have an advantage over the guys on the free group. The guys on the free group, like we've been giving out this kind of content weekly, right? We give them live analysis and markups once or twice in a week. Okay, so those in our free group, the free group is very open to anybody who wants to learn. We will be able to give you this kind of content on a weekly basis, all right, once in a week or sometimes twice in a week, all right. So the free group is open. We will drop the link. The link is on the comment on the detail sections of this video, so you can click on the link to join. So let's jump right to our analysis without wasting more time. All right, so this is the GBP USD trade that we called earlier today, this buy that unfolded right about here, right? So now, first thing that we did, our bias for the week was that we expected GBP USD to buy to some certain level, and we expected it to continue selling. But our overall bias for the week was a sell, because GBP USD is already in a sell trend, and it is obvious from the 4-hour time frame, right? So let me get rid of some of these markups that are already overstayed their use. All right, so we've been seeing the cell structure right from somewhere around 9th of May. Yes, around 9th to 11th of May, we saw the cell structure. We called it out. So remember this particular trade we called out for you guys. So that was the beginning of the cell structure. Even till today, we're still seeing cell structure on the GBP USD, right? So coming into this morning, seeing that yesterday into Asian session today cleared out the low of Tuesday, right? So after we see liquidity being grabbed, and then this previous diagonal liquidity sitting around here, we also been expecting it to be taken out. And so we saw them take out this diagonal liquidity right here. After it did so, we expected some form of retracement into this mitigation block right here on the 4 hours, right? So we traded the retracement. One of the things that informed our decision for trading the retracement was that when we came in this morning, we saw the Asian range um, quite wide, right? About 30 to 39 pips of the Asian range, and price traded back to it. We saw some bit of divergence between the GBP USD, the Euro USD, and the dollar index. The dollar index, is it index or index? Dollar index. You shall know what I'm saying, DXY. All right, so we saw a bit of a divergence between the dollar index and GBP USD, and we took advantage of that divergence to make some profit of it. All right, so already we're expecting a buy on GBP USD. GBP USD didn't take out this low, it gave us a higher low instead of a lower low after this low. All right, so we went back to a smaller time frame on the 5 minutes. We began to see break of structure to the upside. So we called out the trade at this retest, at the retest of this whole range that has been taken out. So the moment price retested into this level, we called out the trade. And then for those who wanted to be extra sure, we pull down to the 1 minute and see that after the retracement, after the retracement, on the 1 minute, we began to see some bit of change of structure, resuming the buy trend which we were anticipating. All right, so we took advantage of that buy trade, and then we added it with a little of sentiment from our side. We used our value flow models to know that for the long part of London session, GBPUSD was going to be on a buy trend. All right, so we took advantage of that, and our target was about 50 pips, like I said earlier. For those on the group, we sweat with the markup we sent showed 50 pips. But by the time price took out this liquidity pool residing around here, we called you out to pay attention to it that we here have already closed the trade, and we're expecting the sell to continue. Okay, so some of you are already in the sell trend, in the sell trade, all right? Because we got 30 pips here, this is like you're risking 1% of your account. This is like 30, this is like 3% of your account. So if you're trading a prop firm, you are closer to meet your target for the day. All right. So we don't like to take so much of the market. Going into New York session, we're going to be watching out for the trade we're going to take in New York session. For those in our students, we're going to also let you know our analysis right after this live commentary. We're going to let you know of our analysis for the New York session. Mind you, just to let you know that we're also rendering a very new service that has not been up to 2 weeks, and it has recorded great success so far. All right, so we are due to complaints that we've been getting from our own end, our students and those who are not our students, maybe associates and partners. We've noticed that a lot of people have been having this challenge of passing the phase one, that is the challenge phase, the phase two, that is the verification phase of their prop account. So we thought to step in, and we're offering the service of helping you pass your prop challenge and the verification phase. We're not going to tamper with your live trading. We just help you make it easier, at least take off that burden or the pressure of wanting to pass your challenge phase. Because many of the complaints we'll be getting is that some people say when they pass their challenge phase, sometimes they may fail the verification phase. All right, so the whole process looks a bit tedious for them. The whole 60 days span looks a bit tedious for them to do. All right, so we'll help you pass your challenge phase and your verification phase for a very little token, and then all you have is your live account. I wish I could show you the Telegram group so that you see it. We have well over 700, as at the last time I checked yesterday, we had well over 700, yes, we have exactly 758 members in the group. For this week alone, we've passed close to 30 accounts already for this week alone. Right? We have so many evidences of that, and we would like you to take advantage of it. All right? So let me see if I can share my window with you. That's possible. I can share that window with you so you can see what it looks like. If it's not possible, yeah, let it just be what it is. We have so many student certificates coming in on a daily basis consistently. Like, like this thing is going to be a very big game changer for you. All right, so this is it. Yeah, this is the group, and we have so many students who are doing well. Look at this, guys, 758 members who have joined so far. All you see here are just testimonials, different certificates. So you need to jump on this information. Look at what this guy says. I got a certificate from consumer trading platform saying I passed the account already. Wonderful. This is huge. In less than 3 hours, we passed the two phase. In less than 3 hours, we have so many testimonies. Thank you for for your magical work in less than 10 hours. You are the best. We offer you 5 days to pass the account, but sometimes we even do it more than that. All right, just for a little token. I also dropped the link to this Telegram group so that you can join. You see the price list. We have a discount currently going on. All right, we have about a 20% discount currently going on. So you need to hurry and take advantage of it. All right. So um, for guys that are willing to take advantage of this opportunity, we have huge discounts, and we hope you take advantage of it. soonest, right? So back to our analysis. Um, like we said, that is what we were looking for, and we got what we were looking for in that particular trade. All right, so maybe going into New York session, we'll be looking to continue the short positions on GBPUSD, right? So that will be all, guys. Check the links I made mention in the description below, and I hope to see you in the group. Until next time, I wish you good luck and good trading. Cheers and God bless, guys.